line is hot.
Oh,
Hey, this guy's.
damn Frank.
Yeah. The guy's doing it. He's just gonna stay there.
I know.
Keeping it there. He's not gonna go outside of the 10, I tell you that.
These guys have no way in
At least it's 7.
Yeah.
His ammo is not consistent.
Is that what you think it is?
He put too much powder in there. His vertical is right on.
Same o'clock. 11 o'clock. Hit the spotter.
See, he hit the spotter. Now he's aiming at the spotter. You don't need to remove the spotter, man. You're just gonna keep hitting it.
I should have moved it, but it's only.
Hey, what are off-whites?
Another X. Oh
Oh,
my goodness. Who built
Damn
this
it.
gun? That Sinister Arms?
Yeah.
That's 3 shots already.
that's my 100-yard screw.
Yeah. For some.
Oh my
Oh
God.
my goodness. Another X. This guy here just stays in the X zone. That's the 4th one now.
Outside of the 7 ring is a 6.
Oh, still borderline. That should be X. It's on the line.
Yeah, it's next.
It's an X.
1 o'clock X. Just barely.
Now he's being cocky.
That's his miss.
Yeah.
Borderline. Tell you, the way you shoot, you're gonna stay within the 10 zone. You're gonna ace this target. Barring overheating of his barrel or something. This pipe, right? Pipe shot together.
That one had half a
Freaking
10
10-inch group was 1 MOA right there.
Yeah.
A 1 MOA rifle.
There we go.
Where he go?
Another X.
Another X.
5 o'clock X.
Another X. Good eye. That guy got a nice eye.
Damn it.
Damn. That guy can shoot.
Pretty easy score, huh, Ben?
Yeah, I'm getting
6
bored.
X.
It's getting boring.
We don't have to do a bunch of math at the end.
This guy not gonna miss.
First when you got
This
like
without a
that,
wind like
7,
this.
8, 9, off the-
Just aim the same way all the time. Don't bother moving you. Don't even take your eyes off the scope.
Oh,
Oh, hit the target. Hit the phaser. Hit the. What a rifle that is. I wonder what barrel that is. 284.
It's a special reamer, though.
Is it a special remit?
It has a really deep throat, so that it doesn't use up all the powder capacity.
What do you use? 180?
I think they're 190s or something. The heaviest 7 do.
180 is the heaviest one, Burger or Sierra.
Yeah, yes. Burger. The bullet hangs out of it like that far.
Who built this, Matt? Matt built the rifle?
I don't know.
Another thing here?
Oh, Oh, a 10. Poor Frank got a 10.
Finally, you miss.
So if these guys shooting this good, X is going to win or lose the match.
Can you say that last word again? Excess?
X-Fest? Yeah, on here, yeah. X-Fest is what he's saying. This guy's getting nothing but X's.
Yes, yes, yes,
Don't jinx him.
yes.
Don't
X.
jinx him.
Right on the X.
Right, it centered it. Got pissed off because he missed it. Oh my goodness, this guy is out. X, X, X. How many more X you gonna need?
That's why they were shooting it 500-yard targets for a while. Everybody was getting all 250s.
The negative score for no win.
Minus an X for win.